We'll guide you through how to fix the TikTok live option missing or not showing on your account. First, open TikTok and tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. The live option should normally appear next to templates. If it's missing, the first thing you need to do is check if you meet TikTok's eligibility requirements. To go live on TikTok, you must be at least 18 years old and have at least 1,000 followers. If you don't meet these requirements yet, you'll need to reach them before the live feature becomes available. However, if you already meet the requirements and the option is still missing, here's what you can do. Go to your profile page. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Free Up Space. Next to Cache, tap on Clear. After clearing the cache, completely close the TikTok app and reopen it again. Now check if the live option has appeared. If it still doesn't work, try logging into your TikTok account on another device, as TikTok sometimes recommends this method. If the problem still continues, go back to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help Center. Now tap on Report a Problem. If those steps don't help, tap No, then select Need More Help. You can now send a message directly to TikTok support and explain your issue. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix the TikTok live option missing problem. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips like this.